It's not just silk, it's not just thread, it's not just dye in white and blue and red. It's 1,000 goodbyes at the station gate. It's the silent courage of those who wait. It's a folded letter in a mother's hand, the heaviest weight in all the land.
It flies so high in the summer breeze, but it's rooted deep in memories.
Before it ever waved above the town, somebody had to lay their life down.
Before it stood for liberty and pride, somebody stood their ground and died.
That's the price of the flag, the cost of the free. It's written in blood and bravery. It's the empty chairs and the names in stone, the heroes who never made it home. Every stripe is a scar, every star is a light, burning through the longest night. Oh, we honor the gift, we carry the bag, because we know the price of the flag.
I've seen it draped o'er a brother's chest as we laid a warrior down to rest. The bugle cries in the afternoon,
A hollow song and a lonely tune. It represents the things we've lost, a beautiful debt, a terrible cost. It's the reason I stand, it's the reason I fight, to keep that colors burning bright. That's the price of the flag, the cost of the free. It's written in blood and bravery. It's the empty chairs and the names in stone, the heroes who never made it home. Every stripe is a scar, every star is a light, burning through the longest night. Oh, we honor the gift, we carry the bag, because we know the price of the flag. It's not a trophy, it's a heavy cross. It's the sum of every single loss. It belongs to the brave, it belongs to the bold, a story of fire that never grows cold. That's the price of the flag, the cost of the free. It's written in blood and bravery. It's the empty chairs and the names in stone, the heroes who never made it home. Every step is a scar, every star is a light, burning through the longest night. Oh, we honor the gift, we carry the bag, because we know lest we forget.